Hi, and welcome to another episode of EMP TV. Today we want to show you, this is one of our newer products we're coming out with. We've had flip-up windshields in the past. Now we're coming out of the line and we're going to try to catch all the UTVs. So zooming in here close to show this to you. This is made from hard coat polycarbonate. It's hard coated on both sides. It features a continuous aluminum hinge across the top. It's got a bubble seal on the bottom. Goes all the way up to pretty much the top of your cage. This is one of our tops it's mounted with. But as you can see here, you can have it either in the open position. If you're hanging out in camp, driving slow, we don't recommend more than 5 miles an hour with it in the open position. But then as you can see, we got the vented position. It lets some air flow in and on the passenger driver on a hot day. We're just going to go fully closed. Snaps in the fully closed position. Again, want to open it up, let it open back up. It's got gas struts, billet clamps, a nice bracket here on both sides, texture black. We mount to the side of the cage right here. And this is all from Extreme Metal Products. We've got a full line of these coming out for all the UTVs. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.